Class presentation on how to use or what to do in safety. So right now I am going to use a circular saw, I think. Don't know how to pronounce it. And I'm going to be teaching you how to use it properly and safely. I got my safety glasses, and you got to wear proper shoes, not open toe shoes. You got to wear closed toe shoes. And then let's get ready to do.
So for an example, I'm going to be cutting these woods to match out of the other wood of my property line. What we're going to do is we're going to mark it with a pencil.
Alright, because I just marked it, or I just did the adjustments, I'm now going to mark it with a pencil of where you want to cut. You can do a big line or a small line, but it doesn't really matter.
Alright, now what you do is where your mark is, which is mine's right there, you put it in the right position of where your saw is going to cut it. So my saw is going to cut it there. Your saw could be cutting it anywhere you want it. But make sure that you have it straight, not tilting up or this way or that way. That way you understand. I'm going to now assemble this right, and then we're going to cut it.
Alright, now that we're going to get ready to cut this, I'm going to actually put on my safety glasses because wood particles will be going in your eyes. So what I'll do is you won't be seeing it here because of the camera view, or the camera angle, sorry. And then you will be lining up where your thing is. Now, what you should or should not do is when you line up your saw of where you want to cut, make sure your hand is not by the trigger. Because if your hand's by the trigger while your hand is that close to the saw, you will be seriously injured. Alright, so because I want to measure, my hand's going to go off the trigger, and that's where I want to cut. Make sure when you're cutting, make sure your hand is far away as possible from your hand. Far away from the wood. Alright, and then when you want to start, you go from here, start it up, and then cut it! And that's how you cut wood. Safety style. And we have a prop in, and now we have a proper stake. Anyway, that is my safety video for a saw. Just a fun fact that a lot of people do not know how to use the circular saw sometimes when they're in training and something like that, when something comes new. So sometimes a lot of people will hurt or damage themselves by using a saw, a table saw, or any kind of saw. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my safety video, and make sure you wear safety glasses while cutting. Bye.